All right, looks like I took Zach to a great place here.
You sure did.
Let's
Never
go up.
thought there would be an elevator in here. These are cool buttons.
Yeah, they're Epco, I believe. Yeah, kind of hard to press too. This is Restoration Hardware, Newbury Street, Boston. Not been here since 2020, meaning before COVID. And here comes the car. Hope I don't get a copyright claim here, but here it is. Look at that. All right, sit up 3. And then we got instant door close.
We got the window.
This is basically like a Gucci / Rolex, but for furniture. Yeah, you can see all the chandeliers and all the just the decor of the interior.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. All right, send down L.
Okay, gracias.
Going down?
No.
Where are you going to?
Second, please.
Second floor?
Thank you.
Bump. Have a good one.
Okay, we can go to L.
Yeah, that's the basement. Yeah, it's public. Don't worry.
Cool. I'm gonna get my cab view while I'm here.
There's a certificate in here, but it was like right there. But I guess they moved it. Here's your directory.
One. Oh, I guess they. Okay.
Oh, it's just like Target. Yeah, it's just like Target. Where it was like one door opens, and then the other one does it. It's really weird. Let's look up top.
Oh yeah, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's cool. All right, so we're getting down 3. If you want to hit 3. This time, looking up the shaft here. Let's see. Let's go over here. Oh, listen to those relays. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Good. Thank you. There goes the counterweight.
Now we're stopping.
All right, I got it. Going up?
Third floor, please.
3rd floor? You got it.
How should we get this time?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that even works. Like all illuminated. That's awesome. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, one last cab view. Amazing. If you enthusiasts want to go to Boston, this is the place to go.
This is very cool.
Yeah. Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.